Welcome, today I am with AirPods 3 and I will show you how you can open Equalizer when you are connected to the iPhone or any other iOS device. So first we have to open the case and connect with our iPhone. Here we are. Next we have to go for the settings, scroll down, and you have to find music application. So in my case it appears here. Click once and then go for EQ of the audio. And as you can see, here we can find the default styles from the EQ. So for example, I would like to set the loudness type. And after that, we can go back and it will be applied to every type of the music that we play through our AirPods via iPhone. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.